Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 Firewall won't turn on. So to resolve this issue, just you need to click on Start, type Services, open Services. Now in this list, you need to find out Windows Defender Firewall. Double click on it. Now select Startup type as automatic. Then service status you need to it will be running. In case it's stop, so start it. Then click on OK and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, by these simple and easy steps we can know how to resolve Windows 11 Firewall won't turn on. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.